Hi friends, Dr. Nancy Trimbley, Trimbley Chiropractic, putting the power and knowledge of your health back in your hands. Today we're going to talk about stretching the hip flexor muscles, also called psoas, P-S-O-A-S, also called iliopsoas. This is a very important muscle for your stabilization of your core. It's the hip flexor muscle, meaning it bends your thighs towards your torso. The muscles start, you have one on each side, they start right here in the front of your hip sockets and they go through your body and attach here to the lower spine. So sometimes if you have problems with these muscles, you can feel pain here, not really coming from there, but you can feel pain there. You can have pain when you're trying to climb stairs. You can have pain when you go to stand up from a sitting position. You feel like you're locked in place. These muscles can get irritated from weird little things, like if you slip on a little bit of water or on a little patch of ice and you don't fall, but you catch yourself, these muscles can go into spasm. And very often it takes a week or two after you've done something silly like that for you to start to feel the problem. So that's why you think, oh my gosh, I just went to go get up out of a chair and oh my gosh, I couldn't stand up. What happened? What was happening when I was sitting in the chair? It wasn't the chair. It was something you did a couple weeks ago. Make sure when you come in, you explain to us how when you go up the stairs it's bothering you. And we may have the massage therapist work on releasing the psoas muscle. Keep in mind, if you go to a different massage therapist, not all massage therapists know how to work on the psoas muscle, or they might be uncomfortable doing it because we have to work on the muscle right next to your hip bone right here. You can not only feel the pain from the psoas muscle spasm and trigger points in your back, you can feel it in your hips, your thighs, your groin. So it can be unsettling when you have pain like that. You don't know where it's coming from. There are some simple and more advanced stretches to do. I will show you the simplest and work up from there. The simplest one you can do is to lay on your bed. I'm going to use my adjusting table to show you. You want to lay on your bed so you're right at the edge because you want to just let that one leg drop off the side of your bed. And you will probably feel a little bit of a stretch here. I just want you to feel a little bit of a stretch, and I want you to lay there for 3 to 5 minutes, just letting that leg just hang heavier and heavier off the side of the leg. You can even scoot over a little bit more if you feel like you want to let it stretch more. So 3 to 5 minutes. If you're having problems on both sides, make sure to scooch over to the other side of the bed and do the other side. The next stretch is using a chair. And I'm going to show you using this chair right here. You're going to put, now this is the good leg. The leg that I'm stretching is here on the ground. And I'm put my foot behind me and then I'm lowering my knee down. I have to keep my torso up, so then you'll start to feel the stretch here. If you do it like this, you won't feel it. You need to bring your torso up and even back a little bit so you can feel that stretch right through there. That's where you should feel it. The next stretch is a little bit of a balance exercise too. So if you're having trouble with your balance when you're doing this, just hold on to the wall. Again, the leg behind me is the one that I'm stretching right here. You go into a lunge. And your foot can be flat on the ground behind you or your heel can be elevated, doesn't matter. And you want to shimmy your foot back and make sure you have a 90-degree angle here at this front knee, and you lower that knee down and you should start to feel that right here. That's the psoas stretching. You hold it for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Make sure to breathe and relax to allow that hip to stretch. If you're having problems with both sides, you make sure you put that other leg behind you, 90-degree angle here, feel that psoas stretch right there. If this needs more of a challenge, you can take the same leg that's back, that arm up overhead, and reach up, and that will bring even more of a stretch here. So that's the most advanced. Start with the easy, work your way up. I hope that helps. You can do that every day, you can do that throughout the day. So putting power and knowledge of your health back in your hands. Bye for now.